Hello there. Beautiful Eileen Donan Castle. I'm just on my way up to the Isle of Skye and I can't resist stopping here. I am quite knocked that the tide is out, but it is what it is. So join me shortly and we will get a few photographs here, and then we're going to climb up the hill. Maybe not climb up, but you can drive up. Turn you around, top of the hill up there. There's a viewpoint up there where you can look down over the castle and out. It looks absolutely fantastic. I can't wait to get going. I just can't wait. So, what a stunning iconic location this is. Absolutely beautiful. It's a shame really we got really bad weather. I could do with a bit of lighting it up or lighting the hills up behind to show all the colours off in the trees. It looks incredible. As I say, I am just on my way up to the Isle of Skye, so I can't help but stop here. I just love it here. Betsy's having to behave. I am going to go to the other side of the bridge in a minute and let her off for a little bit on the beach there. I'm just watching she doesn't knock the camera over. Bets, come here, come here. Yeah, just give me a second. I will show you the back of the camera at this simple little shot. It is a shame that the tide is out as well. I was hoping we were going to get some water here. It is quite sheltered with hills all round, so you can get a good reflection here. But not today, not today. Still absolutely beautiful though. Let me just show you the back of the camera as to this shot I'm taking now. So I'll just brighten up the image a little bit for you. What I'm trying to do with this is line up these two big rocks just out here. Over in the left hand real third, so I've got something there, and putting the castle just nudging over towards the left. Rocks on the right. Settings for this, ISO 100. I am going to shoot this at a third of a stop overexposed, and then I am going to underexpose 2/3 of a stop just to get that beautiful sky. There is a lot of detail in the sky and the clouds, so I will just merge these two together as a HDR and then just pull a graduated filter down over the sky and just drop the highlights out just to pull that detail back. It should look pretty good. I'm going to do a vertical shot as well now of this from here, and I'll put both the photos on now for you. So now come round the other side of the bridge, and this is fantastic when the tide's coming in this, because these big rocks you can actually get on them or just get them sticking out of the rising tide. It really has got to me that the tide is out. I just can't believe it. No look at all here. But I am loving the colour. You've got the colour in the trees over the background, which is a bit of mist coming through the valley, which you can't really see the colours. But there's beautiful oranges and greens in all the seaweed and the rocks here. It looks fantastic, it does. Again, I'll show you the back of the camera with this shot, what I'm doing. And I'm going to move around and try and shoot from over this way somewhere. Then on the way back to the car, I'm going to try and sneak onto the bridge, see if the bloke will let me just get a photograph going onto the bridge and onto the castle. Such a stunning place though this is. So again, for this shot, The settings are ISO 100. I am going to shoot just a little tiny bit overexposed, literally like that, so I've got all the detail in the bridge and the castle. And then I'm going to drop the exposure 2/3 of a stop just to get the detail in the sky, and just merge them together. There goes Betsy, being an absolute lunatic here. It stinks proper stagnant, so I am hoping to get her in a bit of water to clean her off. But yeah, beautiful photograph. I'm going to move around towards me right a bit and see what I can get from down there now. So I've just zoomed in a little bit on this. I'm loving all the colours, the greens and the oranges and everything. And again, I've just took this, looks quite bright, so I've just took this at 2/3 of a stop underexposed, just so I can get the detail in the cloud as well. I'm going to do another shot zoomed out, just a little bit, see which I prefer. I like them both. We have got more rain coming through the valley now, so I'm going to try and jump on the bridge quickly and get a shot from on the bridge, looking along the bridge to the castle, and then hopefully I can get up the top and just wait for this rain to blow through. I can feel it hitting me now, and go to the viewpoint up on the hill and take it from there. Looks absolutely stunning now, this does. I'll put this on for you right now as well. So just snuck to the entrance of the castle. I've just took a couple of quick shots. There are a couple of people on the bridge which I've had to we'll have to clone them out. I've took a vertical and a horizontal shot here, so I will put these on for you at the end of the video. I'm now going to drive up the hill and try and get it from up there. I might try and chuck the drone up unless I get chucked off here. So let's see. If you don't see no drone footage, they've stopped me doing it. If you do, enjoy. But I'll catch you up the hill very shortly. And here is the castle from the viewpoint up on the hill. You literally come at the car park, turn left, take the first right again, and you come up this little road here. You can park, it's quite wide here, and it is absolutely beautiful. There's a beautiful orange larch tree which I'm going to try and get in the shot as well as the castle. The views are just incredible from up here. It's a beautiful spot. I really wish the tide was in, but it's not, so nothing I can do there. The colours up here are just tremendous. It is orange everywhere, different shades of orange. Absolutely beautiful it is. I'll quickly show you the back of the camera to the shot that I'm going to take here, what it looks like. So I will just brighten the image up slightly for you so you can see better. We have this beautiful bit of orange there, which I am going to focus on and take the shot. 2-second timer's on. I'm now going to focus on the castle. ISO 100. I am now going to underexpose just a fraction, literally 1/3 of a stop underexposed, just for that sky. Actually, I think I'm going to come to 0. Took the shot, so I'm going to come back to 0 and take the shot again. It does look absolutely beautiful, it does. I'm going to try and move around a bit and see if I can get more of that larch in the shot. If not, this is the shot that's going to come on. I'll put it on shortly for you at the end of the video. It looks absolutely spectacular from up here. Well, the rain has beat me. I'm now going to run back to the car, pack everything up quickly. It is coming quite heavy now. Please check out the description below. There's links to everything, all the gear I use, everywhere I'm stopping. Please like, subscribe, share the video with your friends. Your support really is appreciated. Until next time, here are all the photographs. Take it easy.